Let's discuss while loop. While loop is also used to execute the code repeatedly. We will be using while loop when the number of iterations are fixed. The number of iterations are fixed. We will be using the while loop when the number of iterations are fixed or not fixed we will be using the while loop. When the number of iterations are not fixed, we will be using the while loop. Okay, so what is the syntax of while loop? Syntax: while condition and statements to be executed, increment or decrement. This is the syntax of while loop. Okay, so in while loop, first what we will do is, first we will be initialize a variable or declare a variable. The second step, what we will do is, we will check the condition. If the condition is true, we will execute these statements. If the condition is false, it will comes out of the while loop. Okay, that's while loop. Now again, let's say when to use while loop. If we don't know the number of iterations in advance, then best is while loop. Okay, so always use while loop when we don't know the number of iterations in advance. Okay, that's all about while loop.